Imagine sitting in your yard and looking at this. I'm Sarah with WTI, and these reflective wind spinners have me mesmerized. They are so simple and beautiful to add to your garden and yard, and I don't know why I waited so long to get them. This set comes with 9 wind spinners, each with its own swivel hook, and I love that you can hook them together to make long ones, or you can keep them separate. I chose a little of each. I made a couple of them long and a few of them short. To make them long, I simply detached the hook, and I was easily able to put them together to create a wind spinner as long as I wanted. They came flat in a box, and all you needed to do was twist them for the desired effect. I hung these in various places around my yard. I put some in the trees, and I put some on my front porch, and I just feel like I want a lot more of them to put throughout my yard. I love the way they reflect the summer colors, the green leaves and the blue sky, and the way they dance when the wind blows. These are a bird deterrent, so be sure not to hang them next to your bird feeder. These have brought so much beauty to my backyard and garden, and I think you're going to love them too, and that's my point of view.